If your team keeps jumping to the same obvious solution, you may be missing the real cause. That is where a fishbone diagram helps. A fishbone diagram, also called an Ishikawa diagram or cause and effect diagram, helps teams explore the possible causes of a problem before choosing what to fix. The problem goes at the head of the fish. For example, let's say the problem is customer orders are being delivered late. That problem statement would sit on the right-hand side of the diagram. Then, the main bones are used to group possible causes. Common sections are people, process, equipment, materials, environment, and measurement. Under people, you might ask, are staff trained properly? Is there enough resource? Are roles clear? Under process, you might ask, are there too many approvals? Are handovers unclear? Is the order process different depending on who handles it? Under equipment, you might ask, are systems slow? Are scanners, printers, vehicles, or tools causing delays? Under materials, you might ask, are products, packaging, or information missing when needed? Under environment, you might ask, are layout, workload, shift patterns, or working conditions affecting delivery? Under measurement, you might ask, are we tracking the right data? Do we know where the delay actually happens? To complete a fishbone diagram, start with a clear problem statement. Then, draw the main cause categories. Get the people who understand the process involved. Brainstorm possible causes under each section. Keep asking why each cause might happen. Then, look for the causes that appear most likely, most repeated, or most supported by data. The benefit of using a fishbone diagram is that it slows the team down in the right way. Instead of blaming one person, one system, or one step, it helps you see the wider process. In our late order example, the team might realize the real issue is not the delivery team at all. It could be missing order information, unclear handovers, poor stock visibility, or too many approval steps before dispatch. That is the power of the fishbone diagram. It helps teams move from guessing and blaming to structured root cause thinking. Because if you do not understand the cause, your solution might only fix the symptom. If you want to find root causes faster and stop fixing symptoms, follow SimplicityHub for more practical Lean, Six Sigma, and continuous improvement lessons. Get your free fishbone template. See links in the description.